I don't really want to talk about it, or if they said, podemos hablar de la política actual, and I would say no, knowing that I don't have the vocab to talk about modern day politics. I don't have the vocab, and so sometimes it's best to avoid those kind of situations by pretending not to know anything. Or, I know things about modern politics. I just don't necessarily have the vocab in Spanish. It's the same with everything. You've got to choose your battles wisely. I think that's the expression with Spanish. Don't try and talk about things that you don't have the vocab for. It just makes it difficult. The easiest way is, for example, learn this. So we say to Pedro, Pedro, why? ¿Por qué estás al revés en el sofá? And he could say, no sé explicarlo en español. That's it. Tengo un problema con mi iPad. That's nice and easy. No sé explicarlo en español. And everybody goes, fine, no problem. Bueno, está bien. No pasa nada. Okay? It makes much more sense, and it's probably more respected to say, no sé decirlo en español, lo siento. No sé explicarlo en español, lo siento. People will accept that much more than, voy a explicarlo en inglés porque no tengo el vocabulario. For Spanish persons, like, well, don't bother speaking in English because I can't understand. So that's another sort of get out clause. It's just to, proclaim your ignorance on that particular subject. So that's another way.